Hey there, young scientists! Welcome back to AkoneKids Science, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the world through fun, safe, and simple experiments. I'm your host, and today's episode is all about turning your home into a discovery den, a place where curiosity rules and science comes to life. So grab your lab coats, or just your imagination, and let's dive into today's adventure. First things first, what exactly is a discovery den? Well, it's a special space where you can explore, experiment, and discover new things about the world around you. It doesn't have to be fancy, just a corner of your room, a table, or even a spot in your backyard. The most important thing is that it's a place where you can ask questions, make predictions, and have fun with science. And guess what? You don't need a lot of fancy equipment. Most of the things we'll use today are items you can find around the house, so let's get started. Alright scientists, our first experiment is called the Magic Milk Swirl. Here's what you'll need. A shallow dish or plate, whole milk, it works best because of the fat content, food coloring, a few different colors, dish soap, and a cotton swab. Ready? Let's do this. Pour enough milk into the dish to cover the bottom. Add a few drops of different food coloring to the milk. Space them out so they don't mix right away. Now, dip the cotton swab into the dish soap. Touch the soapy swab to the center of the milk and watch the magic happen. Whoa! Did you see that? The colors are swirling and dancing like a rainbow tornado. But why does this happen? Well, it's all about the science of molecules. The soap breaks the surface tension of the milk and reacts with the fat, causing the colors to move around. Isn't that cool? Next up, we're going to build a balloon rocket race. Here's what you'll need. A balloon, a long piece of string or yarn, a straw, tape, and 2 chairs or something to tie the string to. Let's get started. Tie one end of the string to a chair or doorknob. Thread the straw onto the string and tie the other end to another chair, making sure the string is tight. Blow up the balloon, but don't tie it, and tape it to the straw. Let go of the balloon and watch it zoom across the string like a rocket. Wow! Did your balloon rocket fly? This happens because of something called action and reaction. When the air rushes out of the balloon, it pushes the balloon forward. It's the same science that real rockets use to blast off into space. Now before we move on, let's talk about safety. Science is super fun, but it's important to stay safe while experimenting. Always have an adult nearby to help, especially if you're using things like scissors, soap, or balloons. And remember, never taste or eat anything during a science experiment unless it's something you know is safe, like food we're using for a specific purpose. Safety first, scientists. Alright, our final experiment today is a DIY lava lamp. Here's what you'll need. A clear plastic bottle or jar, water, vegetable oil, food coloring, and an Alka-Seltzer tablet, or any effervescent tablet. Let's make some groovy science. Fill the bottle about 1/4 full with water. Pour vegetable oil into the bottle until it's almost full. Add a few drops of food coloring. Watch as it sinks through the oil and mixes with the water. Now, break the Alka-Seltzer tablet into small pieces and drop one into the bottle. Look at that! The bubbles are rising and falling like a real lava lamp. This happens because the Alka-Seltzer reacts with the water to create gas bubbles. The bubbles carry the colored water up through the oil, and when they pop, the water sinks back down. Science is so cool, right? Wow, scientists! We've had so much fun today in the Discovery Den. We made magic milk swirls, launched balloon rockets, and even created our own lava lamps. But the fun doesn't have to stop here. Your Discovery Den is a place where you can keep exploring and experimenting every day. Here's a challenge for you. Try one of these experiments with a friend or family member and explain the science behind it. Teaching someone else is a great way to learn even more. And don't forget to share your discoveries with us. You can send us photos, videos, or stories of your experiments at insert contact info. We'd love to see what you create. Thanks for joining me on this scientific adventure today. Remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and you're the scientist who can uncover them. Until next time, keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep having fun with science. Now I am signing off from AkoneKids Science. See you in the next episode. Music fades out.